to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below your sound. I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew it's true. I had enough.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how I make my black bean sauce. It's a Chinese sauce. So I already showed you guys my sweet chili pepper, and here is my ginger. This one guys is optional. You can opt out to use garlic instead of ginger, but because I'm not a lover of garlic, so that's why I go for ginger. So I have my onions, my carrots, I have my green bell pepper, I have my yellow bell pepper, I also have my red bell pepper to make it colorful. And then I have black bean sauce. I soak that black bean sauce into a warm water to soften the bean. I also have corn flour, and here is my duck meat. I already marinate it with some of the sauce there. So I already marinate the duck meat, and then I have all the sauce that I'm going to be using, like the dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. I have the sesame oil, oyster sauce. I have rice wine, and I have grounded white pepper. I also have like seasoning cube. I also have the Ajinomoto. They call it, the Chinese call it MSG, I think. Yeah, that is what I pour inside that little plastic. So that is the Chinese Ajinomoto. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So if you guys want to know how I prepare this delicious black bean sauce, stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, you can use any meat of your choice. You can use beef, you can use chicken, you can use prawn. Because I want to try it with duck, so that's why I go for duck. You can use beef meat, you can use chicken or prawn, like I said before. So I just want to use that duck meat. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Patient, known as Iyawo Ola. On this channel I do a lot of beautiful stuff. I do cooking recipe, makeup tutorials. I do so many beautiful stuff. So if you find my channel interesting, or you love my channel naturally, or you fit into any of these categories, please just consider subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on your bell notification to get you notified whenever I upload new videos. And to my old subscribers that keep coming back to my channel, thank you all so much. You guys are the real MVP. Yes guys, you are the real MVP. Thank you all so much, and may God bless you all for me. Amen. So guys, this is the next step. We're about to start cooking the black bean sauce. While doing this, I'm parboiling my white rice, because we are going to be eating it with white rice. You can eat it with anything you like, but I think white rice is best for this type of sauce. So right now I've had in my little oil, my sunflower oil, into the pan. I'm going to add in my chopped onion. You can also use a vegetable oil, because I love sunflower oil, so that's why I'm using it all the time. I know you guys must have noticed that in some of my cooking videos. So right now I'm just using my spoon to separate all the onion inside the pan, and then after this I'm going to add in my duck meat. Guys, remember I said earlier on that I've already marinated duck meat with the seasoning, the sauce and everything. So I'm going to pour in the duck meat now, and then allow it to steam for just few seconds, and then after that I'll start adding all the chopped bell pepper and every other thing to it. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below. You tell myself that this is the last time.
So guys, I've added everything into the pan. I've added my green, red, yellow, bell pepper, everything into the pan. So I'm just stirring it continuously. So right now I'm going to add in my white blended pepper. I got this pepper from Liddy. So I'm going to add in that one, and also add in my light soya sauce, and then add in every other sauce that I have in there, and also the MSG, the Chinese Ajinomoto. So these are all the things that I'm adding into all these veggies. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. After adding everything, I'm just going to keep stirring it bit by bit because I do not want it to get burnt. So in that way, I'm just going to keep stirring it all over again and leave it for few seconds or few minutes to steam a little bit, and then add in another thing again. So right now, look at the sauce. I didn't add anything to it, like apart from the light soya sauce and white grounded pepper that I had to it. I just allow it to when I keep stirring it, and duck water is what you guys are seeing right now. So right now, after I must have turned it for some time, I will then add in my dark soya sauce and my oyster sauce. So that's what I'm going to be adding to it. And then after adding those ones, I will now add in a little bit of water to make it more juicy. And then after that, I'll allow it to cook for some minutes, and then I will now add in my corn flour. By that time, I already mixed my corn flour with cold water. The reason why I'm adding the corn flour into it is to thicken the water a bit. So guys, just keep watching and see how I do everything.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below. You tell myself that this is the last time. 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the butterfly you said myself, but this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Oh no, I know the truth. I hurt myself for you. Let it down, let it down, let it down, sometimes. Let it down, let it down, let it down, sometimes. These feelings inside, butterflies fly with me tonight. These feelings inside, butterflies fly with me tonight. I'm down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
So guys, this is the finished look of this black bean duck sauce. It's a Chinese sauce, guys. It's a black bean. If you have gone to Chinese restaurants before, you know that this is exactly how they prepare, they do the sauce. See how beautiful and colorful the sauce is. And also my rice is ready. So right now I'm just putting the hot rice into this little plastic bowl, because the reason why I'm putting into this little plastic bowl, I want that the rice that I'm putting into form the shape of that bowl. So that's why I'm putting the hot rice into the bowl. So after I put it, I'm just mashing it down, pressing it down so that it can form the shape very well. So after doing that, I'm just going to put it in my bowl and then put in the sauce. Guys, we are ready to eat. Thank you all so much for stopping by to watch my video. I would love to stop here, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you guys think about this recipe. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you all. Bye.
But you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the butterfly you said